Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're back in the caravan to do another small job. Today's job is to replace the whale water filter. This helps keep water nice and fresh and pure, good enough to drink. So let's have a look. Okay, in my case this is our kitchen area and the filter is located under the sink. You can just see there at the back. There we go. So as you can see, it's fairly easy to replace, but it's a bit of an awkward position. We've got two Jubilee clips on the pipes that enter the filter from the top and the bottom. We need to obviously undo those, pop the new filter in, tighten it all back up. So first of all, we need to get rid of this drawer unit that's obviously impeding us. So let's do that. I'm going to remove this cutlery tray first. Now it's quite easy to move. Basically this just lifts off the frame. There's on this side there are two sort of hooks. I just show you that. So we've got one here and one on this side too. You see that? Move my hand out of the way. And this simply lifts off. So let's give that a go. Okay. Let's lift that off. Out of the way. Pop that there. So that gives us a bit more access now to the filter, which we can see now at the back of the cupboard. So let's get this off and put the new one on. Okay, time to remove the filter. A bit tricky to film in here because it's quite compact, so I might potentially block the view, so apologies for that, but I'm going to undo these two Jubilee clips and just simply pull out from each end the filter. I do have some cloth ready just in case there's a little bit of leakage of water, which there more than likely will be, so let's just give that a go. Okay. Pull the top one out first, just get the cloth ready just in case. Yeah, there's a bit of water coming out there as suspected. Not too much though. That's not too bad. And then pull the bottom one out. As you can hear, I'm dripping that into a bowl which I had ready. So just residue water left in the filter. It's about an inch worth in the bowl, so that wasn't too bad. So I'll just mop up a little bit and then I'll slot the new filter in. Okay, we've got the filter off now, and let's take a closer look. There is an installation date on this. This was installed originally in January 2020. You asked £25-ish thereabouts. It's worth doing. So let's get the new filter on. Okay, time to unbox the new filter from Whale. It's just arrived. So we've got some clips if we wanted to fix it in position into the wall. Got the filter itself, and just some instructions and paperwork by the looks of it. Okay, so there we go. We can write our new installation date on there. Remove these caps. And that's ready to go in position. Okay, so let's just fit this in place. Make sure it's nice and tight. Tighten these clips. Okay, all done. It's time to fit the basket back in place. On this side, and it simply just hooks on. There are some brackets which I never mentioned earlier, they're at the top and at the bottom as well. Make sure they're all lined up. Clicks back in. Okay, put the cutlery tray back in place. Perfect. All done. So that's another job finished, guys. If you could really help me out by liking and subscribing to my channel and videos, that would really help me grow the channel, and I'd really appreciate that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.